The fully automatic horizontal insulating glass sealing machine is professional secondary sealing core machine for insulating glass deep processing. Adopting an integrated horizontal assembly line structure, it is specially optimized for tempered insulating glass, curtain wall glass and low-E-coated glass. Equipped with intelligent PLC numerical control system, it features precise positioning and stable operation, realizing automatic uniform sealing on facades and smooth corner sealing without breakage. It delivers full, dense and consistent sealant lines, greatly improving air tightness, thermal insulation and weather resistance of insulating glass. With high automation level, it can connect seamlessly with the whole sealing production line. It achieves higher efficiency, more stable sealing quality, fewer defects and lower labor costs compared with manual sealing. Easy to operate and maintain, it is the ideal high-efficiency machine for glass factories to realize standardized and high-quality production.